What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. Quick little update on my EDC. As you all know, we saw my EDC video. Normally carry a Ruger LCP 380. Well, I run up on an offer and a deal I couldn't pass up. I'm not going to tell you the price I paid for this, but I was presented with an offer that I couldn't refuse. My new EDC is from a company that I wasn't really fond of in the past. I owned one and I wasn't really that impressed. But a lot of things have changed since then. That was a long time ago. There's a lot more accessories and a lot more customization and performance parts you can put in these weapons. So gave it another shot. And this is my new EDC. Gen 4 Glock 26. Now, when I purchased this, as you can see, it is safety check. The mag is in it, but it's not actually in it. But when I purchased this, I got it from a friend of mine, and he was saying that they were having some financial issues in his home, and he just needed some cash. So I went ahead and I got it. After talking to my wife about it, and so far I'm happy with it. I haven't had a chance to shoot it yet. I did put the grip on it, and I color fill all the lettering. I'm not going to show you the other side because of my serial number. But when I got it, it came with the X grip for the 15 round mag that's in there. It has a 15 round mag from a Glock 17, and then it came with the 3 10 round mags, which is an offer I couldn't pass up, and I'm happy with it. It did come with Trigicon big dot night sights on it. I call them the lollipop sights, which I really do like those. They're nice sights. I don't know if you can see those. The camera won't focus on it, but they are nice sights. It's a nice gun. I do plan on doing some stuff to it. I'm looking at getting a Lone Wolf barrel, stainless steel guide rod and recoil spring assembly. Changing out the mag release and slide catch and stuff like that to stainless steel. I did go ahead and see this magazine is just plain, but I did color fill a couple other mags, the 15 round mag and this mag, because they'll be the ones that I carry with me. So I wanted to be able to see the numbers and stuff on these. These do have the +2 base plates on them, this one and this one. But I've realized even with those, it only gives you one extra. So either way, it's still an extra round in that time when you would need it. But this is my new EDC, and you hear good things, you hear bad. That's about anything though. But I'm gonna check it out. If you have any suggestions of some mods or anything, let me know. I'd be interested in hearing what you think I could do to it. I'm pretty happy with the trigger, so I'm probably not going to change that. But if you have any ideas, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Yeah, have a good one. Deuces.